15, 20. Tired. 5, 10, 15, 20.
All right, it is Saturday evening. I don't know, like around 5 o'clock, something like that. We're sitting outside. Sun's finally, well, the clouds have taken over and the sun's not beating on us today. Another hot day here. But we're sitting outside. I'm sitting outside right now. You know, nice little breeze right now. Enjoying the cool air. The humidity has dropped. But I'm sitting outside because right up here, those wires up there, they have been sparking all day long. I don't know what's going on there, but as soon as the wind picks up, those wires will start sparking. It's like a little fireworks show. I guess the electric company will come eventually when the wires come down, but they've been sparking. I had to move my car down the road because it was right above my car, the cursed car. So anyways, that's what I'm doing right now, just sitting here. I think I might head up to the 5 points, film some of the 4 points, film some of the 4 points this evening. I don't know, like I said, kind of just a day of doing nothing, sitting around the store, trying to stay cool. But yeah, I think maybe I'll head up to 4 points and film some of the 4 points, some of the activity at the 4 points on a Saturday evening. There is Liberty. Liberty's outside right now. Liberty came out. We're sitting outside here on the stool, and old Liberty has come out to hang out with us. All right, Lut and I are heading up to 4 points. Hannah Grace is in charge. She's gonna run the store. She knows what she's doing. She knows the prices, so Hannah Grace, you're in charge. Her and Liberty are in charge.
Oh.
All right, guys, we are coming up to the 4 points right now. Oh.
4 points?
4 points.
Okay.
I'll get out of the way so I don't get run over. And Lut is going to run the camera. She is going to run the camera today or this evening, and so it's all yours, Lut.
Oh my God. Oh, I need to be careful. Where should I start?
It's already on.
It's already on?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay.
It says record right there.
Yeah. Well, I need to watch for my step. Maybe I bang anywhere.
You're all right.
I'm so focusing. That's a Bibian food house. That's a stink water every morning.
Oh.
Every morning it's like all over. Where's that came from?
I don't know.
That's kind of a small talipapa. It's a kind of variety there. Where are we going? Okay. I think what I did, some of these people was like cut the head. Well, I'm still practicing at this moment. I really don't know where should I going to start. I'm not a really big talker. Huh? That's a Magnify Salon. Magnify Salon. Yeah. So anyone who wants to go parlor, Magnify Salon. That's a rice dealer, rice store. This is like here it's a lumpia. It's a vegetables lumpia. They do that every morning. And then the other side is Sisig and what's that? Lechon kawale. It's not a sisig girl at this moment.
No, that's not the sisig.
Yeah.
New Sisig.
It's over here also. There's like there's still more down there. So are we keep walking?
Yeah, we keep walking.
Where?
We'll walk down.
Okay. Where? Over here?
Yeah.
I don't know what this is park. I will show you where it's like when I go trike before. You go here and then second step is boards. Oh, I know this. I know that.
You know that one?
Yeah, we called it danget. That's is gangis. I'm not pretty sure what's that in English, but that's gangis in my country. Oh.
What is this one here with the teeth out?
That's the question because I don't know that. So, ano to kuya? Ha? Babaral. That's
Babaral.
Babaral. This is multi.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a
Crab.
Blue crab. Blue crab. Oh, I can't reach. It's I'm too small. That's a dry fish.
Yeah.
I like that dry fish though. I'll be back. That's a shrimp.
Shrimp?
Magkano kilo? 600. That's about right. Pabalik ako. Saglit lang mag-video lang ako. That's vegetables. Mangoes, okra, everything. Whatever you need, everything is there. That's spinach. Yeah. It's the same over here too. It's the same.
Same.
Yeah, fish and everything. Fish fork, milk fish. Yeah, I see milk fish, tilapia, galunggong, and I don't know this. That is Sari Sari Store. Oh, like what I have. Look, this is the one I'm trying to talk to you. That it's like my store was supposed to be gonna be like this. Let's see.
Oh, yeah, but one of a kind.
Yeah, that's different, huh? So there's a barber shop.
Yeah.
Only one person is allowed. No. Huh? There's a chicken guy. Huh. There's also over here. No, you come here over there. There's in Boards area. That's a chicken. Oh, you have a lot more.
Yeah.
You see that? That's a chicken legs. That's ano yun? A wings and neck.
Neck and breast.
Breast. Ano to siya, kuya? Ha? Sa likod, backbones. That's the backbones there. And that's the sauce. The sauce is a kind of clear. There's a lot of onion and hot spicy in it. And that's all. See that? I don't know. I just know that person down there, so I'm not sure. This is shawarma. Maybe I should have one. Oh, maybe I should have one. Oh, it's not. That's a cook, no? That's just shawarma. Oh, it's not cooked yet.
Yeah.
I should have one.
Some other time.
No, I will be back later.
Yeah, back later. It's not cooked right.
But this is what shawarma is supposed to be.
Yeah, but that shawarma wasn't cooked right.
Oh, that's a mais.
God.
Corn. That's a corn.
Real corn.
Yeah.
Real corn.
Hello. I always holding something. It's still hot. That's my habit, you know. Every single time I buy, I always hold it.
Make sure it's warm.
It's funny. That's a barbecue.
Barbecue, yeah.
Same. Ooh, it's a dog. Pretty dog. It's a pretty dog, huh? You want barbecue?
Barbecue.
Yeah.
No barbecue.
Oh, this puppy.
Yeah.
Oh, cute puppy. This is a tailoring shop. This is my job before. When I'm Marikina City, we used to do like jeans. Like that's the machine we used to do there. Yeah.
Sewing machine.
Yeah. And that's a snack. Snack over here. If you need snack, everything is there. Chuku, iced tea, shumai, candies, and whatever. You know. I have 7 minutes and 48 seconds.
That's how long you've been recording.
10?
No, you've been recording 7:54.
Ah, okay.
7 minutes and 54 seconds.
Okay. That's Ate. Every time he is using your bike and you're like roaming around just to sell like vegetables and everything. That's like a broccoli. Also over here, also it's the same thing. Snacks. Like that one. Here, this is the chicken guy. I used to know.
Guy's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to buy to him all the time.
That's where the CC girl was, but she ain't there no more.
This over there.
Different girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sometimes she came there occasionally.
Yeah.
Just to check or something. But I think that's her. That's her.
Here, look,
No.
look. Hey. Who wants to be on camera? Smile.
Want to try this one, sir?
Oh yeah. Oh.
Ah, yeah, because you get the beef too.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Shots fired.
I'm low, but
Yeah.
Want to try some?
No, I have. I've had that already. Yeah. It's good. Yeah.
when you run for like a kimchi,
This is a new CC girl, right? Very busy through here.
Magkano yung chili garlic paste?
70 eh.
Ha? 70?
Saan bansa din galing kayo?
Ha? US.
First time yata. Ang may like yung model.
And you got the mango people. Mangoes. They're selling mangoes. Pizza, they got pizza across the street. That's a new stand. I say come up here different. A week later there might be a new stand where another stand was. The CC girl is no longer here. Now you have the juice. They're doing juice right here. And yeah. And then of course now you got these people, they're doing the Sisig. So they're doing Sisig and lechon kawali, garlic plate, garlic pasta available here. This is what these guys have to offer. So yeah, this is the new Sisig place. All right, guys, we are heading back now. The CC girl that was there, she's gone. We were just talking to the new people that are there. She's gone. So now that is a new CC girl. We have a new CC girl. But yeah, Lit was running the camera. And what do you think, Lit?
Most of the time, like I can reach the higher one.
Can't
so
reach
the camera
the higher.
will always down. You see that?
All right, you do what you say.
Huh?
You want to stop so you so you don't walk into anything?
Yeah. Yeah. Most of the time, I'm just like the stop are just so high, so I need to hold the camera like very up. And that's my first trial to vlog, and I kind of like shy a little bit to people like keep looking at me. I don't used to it, so I try my best to catch everything, but I think I need to learn more, and that's about it. If you haven't subscribed to his channel yet, please subscribe, give him thumbs up, thumbs down. The choice is always yours, and shares with your friend. Until next time, see you in my next vlog. However, if I'm really good in it, I still try my best for. Thank you so much. That's it.